Hello and welcome to Prime News. First a look at the headlines. 5 bidders show interest for Mopa Airport. Preliminary meet on RFQ bid concludes. Airport Authority of India 2 shows interest. Final bid in July. ZB poll counting days curtail counting and results only on 20th March. 7,80,000 voters to vote on 1,290 polling stations. Water meter only for commercial wells clears Chief Minister. Parsekar reps Congress for misunderstanding policy. No charge for water use for farming. Advocates boycott court proceedings in protest against murder of advocate by a cop in Allahabad. Courts across open, but no proceedings held. And Congress appeals to reject BJP for healthy democracy, says BJP is derailing governance, says BJP-led government is abusing mandate. And now the news in detail. 5 bidders have shown interest in Mopa Greenfield Airport. Goa government held a meeting with Mopa Airport bidders on RFQ at Secretariat. The Airport Authority of India has also shown interest in project as one of the bidders. On Monday, 5 bidders out of 12 participated in the RFQ bidding. Technical bids were opened on Monday. RFP process will be initiated after a month and financial bid will be opened by July, which will seal company to construct Mopa Airport.
Yeah, today was the last date for submission of RFP application. We have received 5 technical bids as on date. That is the last date. And the 5 companies who have participated are GMR, GVK, Oluptus Developers Limited, SL Infra and Airport Authority of India. It's only a technical bid we have received. All the technical bids will be evaluated now on their eligibility criteria. Within a month's time we will declare who are the technically qualified bidders. Then we will issue them the request for proposal and concession agreement. Thereafter the financial bids will come. That will take another 3 months after submission of the issue of RFP and concession. The first stage is a technical bid that we have completed today.
5.
We have received 5.
Earlier it was 15 something.
No, earlier people have many people have come and shown their interest. Now it's 5 means they are not individually, there are consortium in that. It will be not 5, more than 5.
So Mopa Airport will not allow to the share it on that basis.
No, that is what it will be included in the RFP. Now by the time we get some kind of decision from the Government of India, a meeting is already held in this regard.
Okay.
ZB poll counting days are curtailed. Counting and results will be declared only on 20th of March. Goa State Election Commission is all set to conduct Zilla Panchayat election. There are total 193 candidates in fray for 50 ZB seats. 7,80,517 voters will cast their vote on 1,219 polling stations. In view of recent Panji by-poll, this time ink will be marked on the middle finger of the left hand.
There are less than 400 electors in a polling station. 75, that is 44 and 31 in north and south. Between 400 and 800, this is more in between, that is 907. And more than 800, there are 227. The maximum number is 989 voters, which is in North Goa, that is 18 St. Lawrence, polling station number 11. And in South Goa it is 24 Sangwari, police station number 25, 1269 voters. This is the highest in North and South. The lowest is 110 and 103 voters, that is one is in Honda and one is in Trivana.
In South Goa, some innovation is being tried.
We are doing this time webcasting. Webcasting is a live telecasting, the live display of the activities carrying out the polling stations. There are 2,112 police personnel have been deployed. In addition to that, there are 40 police personnel for mobile squads, 45 personnel for guarding the strong room, 24 police personnel for flying squads.
Goa Vikas Party has come as independent. Therefore, they have not been given any symbol as per rules.
Chief Minister has clarified that water meter is only for commercial wells and not for domestic wells. Chief Minister criticized the Congress party for making unnecessary propaganda on Goa groundwater policy. Chief Minister informed that government will take affidavit from all well owners for the use of water. Water for farming will not be charged by the government.
टॅक्स जे विकतात पळय तांकां लागतलो. बांयच्या बालका कडल्यान एफिडेविट घेतले की ह्या बांयचें पाणी जें आसा हे म्हज्या स्वताच्या वापराक डॉमेस्टीक युजाक किंवा म्हजें हें शेत आसा तेका. पूण अशें एफिडेविट घेतकीर जर कोणी टँकर भरून व्हरतना मेळत जाल्यार मात्र पडटलें तेका.
Goa government aims to create more jobs in private sector. Till now, Investment Board has principally cleared investment proposal of nearly 4,500 crores.
2,500 जॉब क्रिएशन्स आणि 4,500 कोटीची इन्व्हेस्टमेंट. प्रपोजल्स जास्त आसात. आम्ही क्लियर जे केल्यात पळय इन प्रिन्सिपल जी परमिशन्स दिल्ली आसात, इन प्रिन्सिपल एनओसी दिल्या ती दिल्यामुळे बाकीच्या डिपार्टमेंटांनी एक्सपेडाइट करूंक जाय ही इतली. पण देर आर मेनी मोर प्रपोजल्स which we have not cleared.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar informed that Ministry of Environment and Forest will revoke suspension of environment clearances of mining leases.
बजेटांत म्हाका मेन्शन करूंक जाय. हांव ती घेवच्या आदी बजेटाक म्हाका वचपाचें ना. हे हांवें ताका फर्मली सांगलां आनी ताणें म्हाका येस म्हटलां. आनी ह्याच विकान म्हज्या अंदाजान आतां तो पार्लमेंटान आज सांजे हांव विचारतलो. कदाचित पत्र काढले असू शकता, ऑर्डर काढली असू शकता आज सकाळी, ना जाल्यार फाल्यां काडपाक लायतलो हांव, परवां काडपाक सांगतलो.
Referring to Zilla Panchayat elections, Chief Minister said anti-defection law for elected ZP will be applicable. Government will introduce this rule during coming assembly session.
एंटी-डिफेक्शन हाडूंक जाय, हाडुया, पण निवडून येतले ते बीजेपीचे एमजीचे डिफेक्शन करणारे निवडून खंय येता ते कॉन्टेस्टच करूंक जाय ताणें.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Supreme Court on Monday reiterated its stand that Aadhaar card will not be mandatory for availing government benefits, including subsidies. The apex court asked the centre and state governments to follow its 2013 order on the issue. The apex court in October 2013 had refused to make Aadhaar card compulsory for availing social benefits, turning down centre's request on this issue. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.